Hi, it's Dr. David Green, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the global leader in regenerative therapies. Today we're talking about the cost of stem cell therapy in Nashville, Tennessee. Okay, quick disclaimer, pricing is subject to change and offers cannot be combined. All right, I started R3 Stem Cell 12 years ago. Since then, we've done 24,000 stem cell procedures in 6 countries with over 40 centers of excellence around the world. We have a beautiful location in Brentwood, Tennessee. We opened it about 2 years ago. You can see the lobby here in this image. We are the world's largest regenerative medicine provider. All right, so let's jump right in. So on this slide, you can see the amount of joints on the left side, and then either back or neck, the pricing, and then how many millions of stem cells or exosomes. And then on the right side, everybody gets a multivitamin IV drip and also an PRP therapy, which involves taking a little bit of blood from you, spinning it to concentrate the growth factors, and that helps to activate the stem cells faster. So for one joint, the pricing is $27.95. That includes 20 million stem cells. For 2 joints, it's $42.95. That includes 40 million stem cells. For 3 joints, we're at $59.45, and that's 60 million stem cells. For 4 joints, we're at $74.95, and that includes 80 million stem cells. Now, the interesting thing is that most clinics in the United States are going to charge double what we do. I'll tell you why here in a moment, but nobody can provide you the high quality of the biologics, the additional value, and the expertise that R3 Stem Cell offers. Now, for back pain, we have a specialized protocol that involves a lot of biologics being injected around the low back, in the facet joints and around. 100 million stem cells along with 50 billion stem cell exosomes, and then the PRP. So it's a sort of a trifecta protocol that we've developed over the last few years. It works amazingly well for those who are trying to either avoid surgery or had a back surgery and just haven't done well with it. Same protocol for the neck, so pretty much, except it's obviously being injected into the neck, but it's a little less stem cells necessary, so the pricing is $1,000 lower. Now, for IV stem cell therapy, for 30 million stem cells, the pricing is $39.50. There are no exosomes with that, and everybody gets a multivitamin IV drip. For 60 million stem cells, it's $59.50. There's 25 billion exosomes included with that. We love including exosomes for free with the stem cells. The results are just amplified, and it's a very satisfactory outcome. Better than anything we've had in the past. Not that it was bad in the past, but now it's that much more amazing. 90 million stem cells is $79.50, and that includes 25 billion exosomes. 120 million stem cells is $99.50, with the addition of 50 billion exosomes. 150 million stem cells is $12,750 US, with 50 billion exosomes. And then 210 million is $16,100 with 100 billion stem cell exosomes. Now keep in mind, anything over 100 million stem cells is going to be broken up into 2 days, and that's just for safety. That's our priority number 1, and we've had really good success with that. You notice at the bottom that we do have an exosome-only therapy with 100 billion exosomes, and that comes in at $39.50, and that's a great option for patients who, a lot come to us and they really are asking about exosome therapy. How do we do this? How can we bring patients this amount of value for this pricing? Well, a lot of it's high volume. We are the largest in the world with how many cases we do. We have intricate relationships with our labs to where we can have the highest quality biologics with very high quality control, with significant buying power that helps us to bring the cost, the investment, so to speak, down for patients. So all patients receive PRP and a multivitamin. Our therapy commitment, if a patient doesn't do well for at least a year, we'll redo it for free. All right. Our quality control is first rate. So here's an example of a certificate of analysis, looking at the various diseases that get tested for. And this is what the FDA requires and regulates us for. We have 14-day sterility testing, looking at bacteria, virus, fungus, endotoxin. In over 24,000 procedures around the world in the last decade, we've never had a deep infection or disease transmission or a rejection of cells. 85% patient satisfaction is year over year what we see. We ask patients a year out, are you happy with your treatment? Would you recommend it to friends and family? Would you do it again? 85 out of 100 say absolutely. Okay, we offer free consultations, which can be virtual for patients to see if they're a candidate or a loved one is a candidate for whatever you're dealing with. So give us a call today at 844-GET-STEM. Visit us online at r3stemcell.com, and we look forward to helping you in Brentwood, Tennessee. Thank you.